In this video, we are going to discuss about the specialized service desk model. So what is a specialized service desk model? An expert staff who are specialized in their respective fields will be attending the calls directly so that the issues are solved in the first go. If you can take an example that there is a company called ABC Limited and it has categorized or it has virtualized its software in such a way that when a service desk user or when a service desk personnel when getting the calls, he will be filtering it based on the menu in the IVR. When the user who is having a problem, when he calls the service desk, based on the IVR menu, he will be deciding which team it has to be routed to that team to get answer to the call. And also you can take advantages and disadvantages of this specialized service desk. The first one is faster and accurate resolution of the request. That means as in the first go itself, the fastest and the resolution time also is very less in that request. You can take a disadvantage here is difficult to get a skilled staff. That means difficult to get a skilled staff who are dedicated only to this service desk. You can see a diagrammatic approach here. If you can see clearly about the specialized service desk diagrammatic approach, this is the service desk menu. That means the IVR is configured here in the software based on the errors coming to the teams. If a user calls this service desk number, based on the IVR menu, it will be routed to the database administration, network administration, Windows administration team and email administration team and etc. You can also note in practical world, most of the organization uses the service desk types in a mixture of the models.